guys, what's up, and welcome to the 7th Advent Countdown video. And I'm recording this on the same day as the 5th and 6th videos because on Friday and Saturday when I was meant to record them, I was just way too busy, let's just say for now. So I haven't actually had that much time to upload videos. I've got because I have 20 million videos to upload. Not literally, metaphorically. Yeah, we're having the 7th one, and yeah, let's open it up. We'll see what. Oh, we've got Santa! Yay! Can't eat it. And pull this off. Bunch of cakes. There we go. All done. So, I've had 3 different everything on the chocolates today.
What is that? Have a good day. Oh, wait. Hope you have a good day.
Good. There we go. I'm going to have to sellotape that part on again. But that is all done, guys. So I will see you guys again tomorrow for another Advent Countdown video. But it might even be later on today. I don't know. Later on, maybe when you're watching this for a Christmas watch or something like that. I don't know because I haven't even uploaded it. Ow, but for me, I haven't uploaded any Advent Countdown videos yet. I'm actually just still waiting to upload them, but I'm gonna upload them straight after this first. So I need to go get uploading, renaming, stuff like that. So yeah, peace out.
What about